Hi guys, we're here at Henry's Camera here at Green Hills Mall, and we're going to buy the DJI Mic 2. DJI Mic 2 para magkaroon tayo ng magandang mic. So, i-ano na natin kay ate yung DJI Mic 2. Sige ate, kunin ko na. Here guys, the DJI Mic 2. So, actually I have the mini na, then I want the DJI Mic 2. Kasi mas mas professional yung level ng DJI Mic 2.
Then,
Nakabidyo ka na. Yan guys, ito na yung DJI Mic 2. Then, para mas maganda na yung boses natin kaysa yung isang mic. But the mic mini naman is okay, but I want the DJI Mic 2 also. Yan. Kunin na namin.
cash or card, sir?
Card?
Card. Straight payment, sir?
Oo. Ayan guys, nabayaran ko na at nakuha ko na itong DJI Mic 2. Then mamaya later we're going to make an unboxing, and after that we're going to test the mic and compare natin din sa DJI Mic Mini. Ito na, nabili ko na, nakuha ko na sa Henry's Camera. Then shout out kay Guard Gallardo, kay Trainee Kyle, kay Mira, kay Adrian at Emma. Thank you for this, the DJI Mic 2. Sa susunod ulit. Thank you for watching. Bye!